Hello everyone, just a quick video on how to remove the wheels off of a Predator 3500 watt generator in case you want to upgrade, change your wheels out. Super simple, just pop off the wheel cap here and then remove that cotter pin. Once the cotter pin comes out, the wheels just slide right off. That's pretty much it. All four wheels are the same. There's one that has the brake, and I modified mine. I put these wheels from Harbor Freight. They were like $6 a piece. Obviously modified the brake and the axle there, put an extension. So this is the way mine came out. I'm super happy with it, and it rolls so much better. And I mean, it's incredible the difference. So went to Home Depot, also bought that the half-inch axle bolt, the half-inch threaded coupler here. That's the washer that came with the generator, and then a cotter pin. It's pretty much that simple. So yeah, the objective here was to modify the wheel kit and not the generator for the warranty purposes. The axle, basically the axle size is a little smaller than a half-inch. 31/64 is what I used. So basically I just pretty much just drilled out 3/4 of the way into the coupler. And then I drilled for the cotter pin, and the cotter pin is what holds the wheel onto the generator. So I did not have to modify the generator at all to make this happen, and that was the whole point of my project. Um, I mean, it worked out excellent, and basically the only thing I'm waiting for is a part to come in because I couldn't find a non-threaded coupler for the brake, and I'm going to do a brake extension there to extend to my brake mod there. So that's pretty much all I'm waiting for. I'll probably make a video on that. Pretty much everything I heard about this generator is true. I mean, this is just a great generator. It's super quiet. Thanks for watching.